Hey there, traders. Welcome back to the ForexPropFirm.com YouTube channel. I'm Valentine, your host, and today we're going to dive into the top 3 worst challenges our traders faced in January. January was a month filled with ups and downs, and it's important to reflect on the challenges we encountered to learn and grow as traders. Okay, the first challenge we're going to discuss is the daily drawdown limit. This refers to the maximum amount of money a trader is allowed to lose in a single trading day. It's a key risk management measure that helps traders protect their capital and manage risk effectively. For that, I'm going to show you 2 screenshots. The first screenshot, you're going to see that the trader started on this account at the 4th of January, trading GBP US dollar, buying 0.6 T lots, losing $300 with the first trade. That means it's a little bit less than 0.5% risk that he's using, which is a pretty good amount. And as you can see on this screenshot, he's only trading GBP US dollars. Most of the times it's around 0.60 lots. Sometimes there are 1.6 lots. Here is a 2.2 lot sell, which brought him about $200. As you can see in this picture, most of the times the wins are, as I said, around 0.5% gain that he made, and the losers as well, a little bit less than 0.5%. On the first picture, you can see down here, there are some small wins, like $50, $40, which really is not important for the bigger picture. And I'm going to show you the next screenshot where you can see profit minus $4,482, which brought him to the daily drawdown limit. For the last day, he was trading on 11th of January and buying 0.60 lots as well, selling 1.62. And for the last one, he was selling 2.2 lots, which is definitely a little bit higher risk. And for a 50K account, this equals around 1.2%, which he lost here for this trade. And for the last trade, I think he was trying to go back to break even. So he used 7.5 lots, which is a little bit too much for this account size. And then he lost $3,700, which brought him over the daily drawdown limit. And he closed the challenge in there. Okay. After seeing the first trader reaching the daily drawdown limit, we are going to address the second challenge, reaching the total drawdown limit. This occurs when the combined drawdown across all accounts reached its maximum threshold. It's a critical moment that prompts us to reevaluate our strategies and risk management practices. For that, I am going to share my screen once again, and we're going to log into a MetaTrader 5 account, as you can see in the picture. And this is 50K challenge as well. We're going to dive into that. He started trading on the 23rd of August last year. And as you can see here, GBP US dollars, Euro USD, gold, Euro USD. So mainly GBP USD and Euro USD. He was selling and he was using one lot, which brought him minus $140 loss, which is a small amount for a 50K account. This equals around 0.1% risk, I would just guess. And afterwards, the first win was a Euro USD buy. As you can see, on 25th of August, was buying 2 lots, Euro USD, and he made $274, 0.25% gain. And when we scroll down here, GU, gold, gold, and the losses are most of the times around $188, $120, $180, just some small amounts here. Going further down, then you see a little bit bigger loss buying euro US dollar on the 23rd of August, which brought him around $538 loss, which is around 1%, I would say, on a 50K account. Then after that, some small wins, small losses. We go down here, we see the gold selling position on the 1st of September last year, which brought him over $1,000 per one trade, which is a really, really good amount, which is around 2% gain. After that, you can see small losses, small wins. Here you have a $448 loss selling gold as well. Brought him another minus 2% loss on the account. And some good wins over here. You can see another good win, which brought him $816 selling US 30, which is a good amount. After that, small wins, small losses again, and $747 win selling gold. Really good amount, 1.5%. After that, here is another losing position on gold, selling 2 lots on gold, $542. And after that, you can see he was losing more than he made by trading most of the times gold, Euro USD, and GBP USD, because most of the times you see the wins he had were minor to the losses that occurred, because you see more red than you see blue on that account. So that brought him over the edge of losing more than the maximum drawdown would have allowed him to. Okay, now we are going to log into the third account in the MetaTrader 5 platform as well. As you can see here, we're assessing the accounts directly to provide a real-time view of the trading activity and drawdown. Okay. As you can see on this account, auto deposit, which was on the 6th October of last year as well. So as you can see here, most of the trades gold. You see the second trade he took buying gold for 1 lot, which brought him $1,367, which is around 1.5% gain, which is pretty good, I would say. After that, some really, really small losses, but the position size was really not that big. It was around 0.1 lot buying gold. Then he had a big winner buying gold as well, $2,000 gain, which is a good amount. This was on the 16th of October last year. After that, small win, $200 loss, $100 loss, which is, I would say, pretty minor, but the volume he was using here wasn't that big. After that, you can see more red over here. Then $1,000 by buying oil. You can see in the top left corner, brought him around 1% gain. After that, some more losses. He reduced the volume here as well. We go down here, you can see there is more red, and definitely the wins are a lot less than the losers, I would say. We go down, $1,375 buying gold, 0.5 lots, which is a good amount, and it was around the end of November last year. After that, some losers. Here we have a $2,000 loss, which is, I would say, pretty high number. That means he was risking around 2%. After that, more losses, but not that much to really say about. After that, he made $1,400 buying gold, which is a good amount, 1.5% as well. After that, he had some losses again. You can see he made $580, but the losers are outweighing the profitable positions he had. So this was $580 profit buying silver. If you go down, you can see, and that brought him to a net loss of $5,829. And you can see the completely, and you can see in the left corner, it says $93,895, which brought him to the maximum drawdown limit. Our discussion today underscores the importance of implementing effective risk management strategies and adhering to predefined risk limits to mitigate potential losses. Reflecting on these challenges allows us to identify areas for improvement and develop strategies to overcome obstacles in our trading journey. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. That's it for our discussion today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you find this video insightful and informative. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more valuable trading content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in further videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your support means the world to us, and we're grateful to have you as a part of our trading community. Together, we'll continue to learn, grow, and achieve our trading goals. Until next time, good luck and good trading.